I thought I preferred a lot of elbow room. I thought I liked being on my own. But lately I just wanna be closer to you. Seeing you feels like coming home. I didn't know life could be so cozy. Better when you share it, that just seemed a bit cliche to me. Maybe that's just how it works. All the moment that you're unaware, it sneaks up on you and me. See, I really like my sweater, but I think you wear it better. You can keep a little piece of me. Oh, I really like my sweater, but now you wear it better. Show it up so everyone can see. A little piece of me. I thought I preferred cooking for one. I thought it would be easier that way. But you brought me new recipes, or you changed my taste. Now I wanna make us a whole buffet. Oh, I didn't know life could be so filling. Better when you share it, that just seems a bit cliche to me. Baby, that's just how it works. So the moment that you're